Alrighty folks, today I'm going to teach you guys how to divide numbers that have to do with 5, 25, 250, and 500. So here's how this works. 282 divided by 5. Let's look at 5 right here. 5 is the same thing as 10 over 2, because 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Next step is to flip 10-2 into 210 to get a reciprocal and multiply to solve the answers. So now we can multiply 282 by 2/10. Imagine this a little bit of 1. So 282 times 2/10 equals, well, let's see, 564 over 10. So 564 divided by 10 equals 56.4. That's my final answer. All you have to do is move the decimal over to the left one time and that's it. Alrighty, next step. 378 divided by 25. Let's look at 25 for a moment. 25 is the same thing as 100 divided by 4. Next step is to flip, or excuse me, make it comma, whichever, is to flip 104 to 4 100ths to get a reciprocal and multiply to solve the answer. So now we got 378 times 4 100ths. Make this a little 1 right here. So 378 times 4 equals 1,512. 1 times 100 equals 100. If you're wondering what's taking me for a moment, I was thinking this in my mind. Anyways, now we can divide 1,512 by 100, which equals 15.12 as my final answer. Alrighty, next one. 342 divided by 250. Alright, so 250 is the same thing as 1,000 divided by 4. Next step is flip the 1,000 over 4 to 4 1,000 to get a reciprocal. The next step is to multiply 342 by 4 thousandths. Make this little 1 right here. So 342 times 4 equals 1,368. One times 1,000 equals 1,000. Next step is divide 1,368 by 1,000, which equals 1.368. That's my final answer. Alrighty, last one. 798 divided by 500. 500 is the same thing as 1,000 divided by 2. Next step, flip 1,000 over 2 to 2 1,000 to get a reciprocal. Now we can multiply 798 by 2 1,000. Make this a little bit of 1 right here. So 798 times 2 equals 1,596. 1 times 1,000 equals 1,000. So 1,596 divided by 1,000 equals 1.596 as my final answer. And that is how we can divide numbers that have to do with 5, 25, 250, and 500, and so forth. Overall, I hope this helps. Till next time, signing out.